Welcome back to my cloud. Today's letter is to Dr. Matthew Kroenig, Vice President and Senior Director of the Atlantic Council's Scowcroft Centre for Strategy and Security. Dear Dr. Kroenig, thank you for inviting me to the launch of your report on software-defined warfare on March 27, 2025. I attended in good faith, and I hope this letter reaches you not as a confrontation, but as questions from the citizen level. You have argued that the United States must prepare for a new kind of war in order to deter China, Russia, and other strategic threats. But history repeatedly shows that powerful states often arm the very adversaries they later fight. Covert aid during the Iran-Contra era, US support for anti-Soviet fighters in Afghanistan, and destabilizing interventions in Libya. In 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated world champion Lee Sedol at a game of strategy, a milestone in strategic reasoning that experts had not expected for years. Since then, advanced AI systems have shown signs of preference formation and goal preservation. And deception detection has become an entire field of alignment research precisely because systems can behave strategically in ways their designers do not intend. So my first question to you is this: are you concerned that in pursuing software-defined warfare, we may be arming the adversary of tomorrow? And if so, what will be our strategy for containing or deterring a system that learns faster than our institutions can adapt? My second question concerns whether advanced weapons actually win wars. Recent history raises a troubling empirical problem. The United States and its allies have repeatedly demonstrated overwhelming technological superiority in surveillance, precision weapons, cyber capabilities, and logistics. Yet these advantages have not reliably translated into durable security or political stability. In Afghanistan, for example, technologically inferior forces ultimately prevailed, through time, local legitimacy, and policy coherence rather than hardware. So I want to ask you, what evidence do we have that increasing technological sophistication produces durable security, rather than displacing instability, prolonging conflict, or externalizing harm beyond the battlefield? My third question to you concerns accountability. Some of the United States' current military allies are autocratic states. If exported AI-enabled systems are used for repression, surveillance, or internal coercion, who is responsible? The developer, the exporter, or the government that approved deployment? And what binding enforceable limits do you propose now to prevent short-term strategic gains from becoming long-term catastrophes or scaling repression? Respectfully. Our next letter will be to Paul Cristiano, one of the US government's most senior AI safety researchers. Thank you to anyone who listened.